So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a circle around some text here in Visme. So once you're on Visme, go to the top left here and press on the text icon or the T in the top left. Now I'll just make this a little bit larger so that's easier for you guys to see. Now if you wanted to add a circle around text, it's pretty straightforward. Double tap the text. Go to this top bar right here, all the way to the right where it says this A with the underline, where it says annotations. I want you to go ahead and press on this drop down. Now you have none, underline, box, circle. I want you to go ahead and press on circle right here. And if you were to just press on the way it is right now, it actually adds some circles around all the spaces or the text here. So it looks a little bit messy right here. So what you have to do actually is just delete this, and it now adds some, I guess it adds a circle around the text here. And there you go, pretty straightforward. So that's how you guys can add a circle around text here on Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.